Hi, this is Min and you're here on She Walks the World. Thanks for joining me again. And it's been a great couple of episodes reminiscing my travels around the world from my home through food by cooking all these international dishes that I've tried on my adventures. Now you can also read about my travels by heading on to my blog at shewalkstheworld.com because I've also written about all the food I've tried. So today is going to be slightly different. We'll be cooking a South Korean dish, but it's going to be instant noodles. And this instant noodles combination has been made popular by the Academy Award-winning film Parasite from South Korea. So yes, I'm a little bit late to the party, but I'm very excited to be cooking this for the very first time because I just got my hands on the Jjapaguri, which is a black bean paste jjajang ramen noodle, and the Jjapaguri, which is a sort of udon noodle that is cooked in a spicy Korean seafood broth. And if you combine both together, it becomes a ramdon, a ramen and an udon, ramdon. In Korea, they call it the Jjapaguri. So anyway, yes, as per the movie, the best way to eat it is with beef. So that's what we're going to do today as we cook the ramdon. We're going to start by cooking the beef. What they used in the movie was a Wagyu sirloin, but I couldn't find those, so I am going for an Angus tenderloin that I've cut into bite-sized cubes. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt and some pepper. And we're going to cook it until just before your preferred doneness. So I like mine about medium well, so I think this is just about right. So I'll take it off the pan and set it aside. So these are the two instant noodles to make the ramdon. We're going to start with the Jjapaguri and also the Jjapaguri. So we have the vegetable flakes, the jjajang powder, as well as the oil for the Jjapaguri, spicy seafood powder, and the vegetable flakes as well. I don't know what this is, but we'll put it in too. So like all other instant noodles, we're going to first bring some water to boil. So once the water starts boiling, we'll put in both the noodles as well as the vegetable packets from both packs. So we're going to cook it until the noodles get soft. So once the noodles are almost done, I'm going to scoop up about 4 to 5 tablespoons of this starchy water, and then I'm going to drain out the water. Now that the noodles are drier, we're going to put in the whole packet of jjajang powder as well as half a packet of the Jjapaguri powder, and pour in a little bit of the starchy water just now and stir it up well. We're also going to put in the beef and stir it up some more. When it's just about done, we're going to add in the final touch by putting in the vegetable oil. Alright, I think it's fully coated and ready to go. Let's take it off the heat. And then we're going to just transfer it all into a bowl. And here is a delicious bowl of instant ramdon noodles. This is so good. Oh, thank you so much for joining me, Min, on She Walks the World. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to read about my travels in South Korea, do head on to my blog at shewalkstheworld.com. I'm so sorry, but this is so good. It's like black bean paste, but it has that punch because of the spice. And the beef, it just complements it so well. Okay, that's all I want to say. I'm going to eat now. Oh, enough cut. Don't see me eat.